Hello everyone. So most people solve this question like cancel this 8 by using 4, so it is 2. Now 1 multiply 2 is equal to 2. So 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. Now 16. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 16 as it is same. C means change the sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 1. Multiply 8. Now here is only 1. So we can write this expression as 16 multiply 4 multiply 8. Okay. Now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. So 16 multiply 4 is equal to 64 multiply 8. Now 64 multiply 8 is equal to 512. Okay. So the correct answer is 512. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.